In this video, we'll talk about how to find the distance between two numbers plotted on a number line. And the first question is, the numbers -3 and 6 are plotted on a number line. What is the distance, in units between the 2 points? Well, one way to do this is to just have the two numbers shown on the number line, and then say there's a 5 here, there's a 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2. So this is a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2. And then you can just figure out how many of these units there are. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 units. So that's one way to figure it out. It's 9. Another way is to say, what is 6 minus -3? And then you put the absolute value sign around this. So this is 6 plus 3. And the absolute value of this is 9. So 9 is the correct answer. The numbers 2 and 7 are plotted on a number line. What is the distance in units between these 2 points? So one way to do this again is you draw the number line. And you have a 2 here, you have a 3 here, you have a 4 over there, you have a 5, you have a 6, and you have a 7 here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this distance looks like it's 5. Another way to do it is to put the absolute value sign and say, what is 7 minus 2? Well, 7 minus 2 is 5. So this is the correct answer. The numbers 9 and -1 are plotted on a number line. What is the distance in units between the 2 points? So again, you could draw the number line and figure out how many units there are in between these 2 points. Or you could just do the easy way, which is 9 minus -1 and put the absolute value sign. And this is 9 plus 1, which is 10. And so remember that when you're working with two negative numbers next to each other, so negative and a -1, you would get a 10. The numbers -11 and 1 are plotted on a number line. What is the distance in units between the 2 points? Well, to find the distance, you have to do 1 minus -11. So you put that, so you do 1 minus -11. So you just find the difference between the two numbers. And because negative of -11 is equal to 11, you have 1 plus 11. Absolute value of that is still absolute value of 12, which is just 12. So this is the correct answer. The numbers -1 and 1 are plotted on a number line. What is the distance in units between the 2 points? Well, you could draw a number line and you have 1 here, you have -1 here, and you have a 0. And so this is 1, 2, this is 2 units apart. And the other way to do it, which helps when you're working with bigger numbers, is you could say 1 minus -1. So it's the number on the right minus the number on the left. And in this case, this turns into a plus. So you have 1 plus 1, which is the absolute value of 2, which is 2. So this is the correct answer.